I'm like, hey, what's up, hello.
Yo, what's up guys, it's me Danny Fish and I hope you guys are having a great day. Today, as you guys can tell, I have like different voice because currently I'm having flu and fever plus back coughing. Hopefully I can get well very soon. But anyway, for today's video, I would like you guys help. Next video, doing a Q&A session. As I promised you guys, if I reach 5k subs, I'm gonna do a Q&A session. And Alhamdulillah, we already reached around 6k plus. And my goal is to reach 10k by this year. If we can go further, it's great. But at least we can try our best. And thank you guys for the support and for all the love, for all the good comments. I really appreciate that. And by the way guys, so how it works, I need you guys to comment down below with your question with the hashtag DFQNA with a capital Q and capital A. So I'm gonna choose questions with the hashtag DFQNA. If you guys don't include the hashtag Q&A, I would not include the questions in my video. So hope you guys can follow the simple rule. I think you guys have a lot of questions: what camera I'm using, where do I live, or how old am I, or anything else, where do I study, or any personal stuff, or any opinion you want me to answer. I'm open to all of that. Leave a question, hopefully I can answer all of them in the next video. So my birthday is coming next week. So as you guys watching this video, I'm gonna post it on, today is Monday, so I'm gonna post it today. It's actually Sunday, but it's 12 o'clock already, so it's Monday. Practically it's Monday, so I'm gonna post the video today, so I can make the Q&A video probably next week, because my birthday is coming very soon. Other than that guys, I made a Instagram account for my clothing store, so you guys can check it out here. I leave a tag. It's Satoru Arden, and I sell my clothes, like my used clothes, from as low as only 20 ringgit plus 5 ringgit shipping. And yeah, it's worth but the size is limited. And if you have any brothers or friends, you can go check it out, especially with the size S or XS, because yeah, I'm thin and small, so I only use like S and XS. Only some stuff I use like M and L. So we just go check out the Instagram account, and I'm gonna start selling soon, so just pre-order it. But I sell like from Adidas jacket, original Adidas jacket, and some cool jackets and cool shirts, so just go check it out. So yeah guys, I'm gonna sum up the video with much love from me. Thanks for all the support. I love you guys, really appreciate the comment, although I get some really negative feedback sometimes, but yeah, it's just part of life and just how we deal with it. So don't forget with the hashtag DFQNA, and I'm gonna do the Q&A video very soon. So just leave your questions, any sort of question. I'm gonna choose it, I'm gonna answer it, and I hope you guys enjoy my videos, because I enjoy doing videos too. And if you guys have any suggestions or anything you want to share, just leave a comment down below, and I would like to know. I would like to help you guys with anything. Just yeah, so I hope you guys have a great day, and peace.